back again looking at our car design. This time we're going to look at doing some more personalisation with our car to kind of try and really make it our own. So what I'm going to start off by doing in this first part of the task is looking at applying a decal to it. Now you can go and find any image you want that you may want to apply as a decal or a sticker to your car. I'm actually going to use my original image that I traced to make this car and maybe actually apply the side profile on that as a sticker just to kind of show you how this works. So first task is going to start a 2D sketch on the area you want to apply the sticker or decal to. Let's move it so we can see it. Again, make sure I'm back into orthographic mode. So we remove depth. I'm then going to go back to sketch mode and then going to insert that original image of that car. You'd be doing the same by finding the image of your sticker or whatever you want to apply to it. Pressing OK to open it, clicking once. Now again, I'm lucky because I didn't change the scale of my car, I simply traced it as I brought it in, but the hardest bit, as you can see, is actually trying to see the outline. So that's very easily fixed by just projecting the geometry of your car. So it makes it that wee bit easier to find. So I can then just grab and move my picture and line it up for a rough representation of colour. Happy with that. We can see obviously the wheels don't line up perfectly, but that's okay. It's just to show you this task. So once we've got our car kind of lined up and set, what we're then going to do is look at then applying this image as a decal. So again, we will notice these wheels won't look correct, but again, just for looking for principles and purposes. So finish sketch, choose the decal tool under your 3D modeling task. We're going to choose decal. We're going to first of all click the image. Click the image, it then automatically swaps to the face. That is where you want to glue the image to, being the car in this case. Pressing OK, the rest of the image disappear and leaves you with a decal of that car. So it looks not bad. Shame about the wheels, but that actually looks okay, I suppose. Now, wee bit more personalisation. If you've got a flat surface in your car, you can do something maybe like, I don't know, a bonnet scoop. So we can do simple things like, because we've got that flat surface, we can simply just start a 2D sketch on that surface. Maybe start off by drawing maybe a rectangle. Again, not worried about sizes. Let's extrude that. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that size here. Press OK. Let's fill out the corners of it and make it begin to look a wee bit more like it's part of the car on a bonnet scoop. Again, I can go back and maybe change those colours as well. Use some colours that I've used previously. So let's highlight that part there. Again, I can either highlight it, select and drag, click on it, or go back to a model tree, apply that colour. Here we go, so that's making my bonnet scoop in my car. Now something a wee bit more advanced would be maybe applying a spoiler to our car in this case, because our car actually doesn't have a flat surface at the back. Now, for doing that, we'll maybe show you how to move a work plane, offset that, and then maybe stop and finish that off in the final video. So we're applying a spoiler, we're going to find a work plane that goes perpendicular or flat to our car. So this would be wrong. This one I think may be right, but it's just high above the car, which it is. So I'm going to right click and turn the visibility on for that, and I'm going to move it just down so I can see it closer to my car and we can actually start to see it cut the car in half. So happy with that there. Tick it. Turn the visibility off in the old one because we don't need it. And we're going to use this to sketch on top of and explain this in a second. So pause the video here and then do this one more final video to put this spoiler on.